In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M56 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Connections. Then you need to hit More Connection Settings, select Printing, and click on Default Print Service or select Download plugin and install Perfect Service for your printer. When it's ready, it will appear over here. Either way, whatever print service you wish to use after clicking on it. Tap on this switcher at the top right corner to activate it. Your device will look for a printer then. If you can't connect for some reason, you can also click on those three dots at the top right corner of the Footprint service. Hit Add Printer and add it using IP address that you need to input over here and select Add. You can also tap on this switcher next to Wi-Fi direct pairing to enable or disable this feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!